How to control who can comment on your TikTok videos. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your TikTok comment privacy settings in just a few simple steps. Open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now here, you will see the scroll down until you find Comments. Inside the Comments section, tap Allow Comments From. You'll see different options for who can comment on your TikTok videos. Choose Followers if you want all TikTok users to be able to comment on your content. Or select Friends if you only want mutual followers to leave comments on your videos. Once you choose your preferred option, the changes will be saved automatically, and your TikTok comment settings will be updated instantly. That's how to control who can comment on your TikTok videos and improve your privacy on TikTok. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips, privacy settings guides, and social media tutorials.